Hello guys, let us discuss about online rental system. It's a house rental program where the front end is Java and back end is MySQL. We are using NetBeans as the IDE and Tomcat as our web server. So you need to download NetBeans and install it. For that, of course, you should already have Java JDK. Then you can download Tomcat and unzip it, keep it ready. And finally, for MySQL, you can use XAMPP, lightweight suite of dev tools. And then open XAMPP, start Apache, MySQL, and then MySQL admin. So create a new database called house, and then go to import, and then select the SQL file house.sql, which is in the source code of the project, and import that. That will create a bunch of tables, minimal set of tables for our core operations. Admin login. This is admin is the credential combination. Then clients who wish to sell their houses. So the address of that house and all that. And users who wish to buy the houses. And when you add a new house, all the details will go into this particular table, including the pic of the house or the plot. So this is the backend. Now coming to the front end in NetBeans, open your project and you should see all the web pages over here. JSP or HTML. JSP is HTML with little bit of Java code embedded where necessary. So as you can expect, so typical home page, and then we'll have the admin login. Once you log in, you get to the dashboard with all the typical operations the admin has to perform. Similarly, we have the customer login and then the client login and respective dashboards. And behind the scenes is the Java code, the controller for the admin operations, for the client, and for the customer. Whatever operations the admin or the client or the customer does are through these Java files. Then we have a common database connection .java file, which provides us the MySQL database connectivity parameter settings, and the connection object is ready. So this function called initialize database will always provide you the connection object, which will be used throughout the project. So obviously we need to ensure we add the MySQL connector JDBC jar file to this. And also as our server, we will choose Apache Tomcat. When you open it first time, it will ask you to choose that missing server. So you can choose Apache Tomcat, and hopefully things will go as planned. Now right click the project and hit the run button over here. So that should launch our website. So there you have it, guys. The house renting, the system. Admin is the username. Admin is also the password. You can, of course, create a brand new account. So typical operation, the dashboard shows us the number of houses that are added, number of clients who have registered, and the users. So dashboard, typically the numbers. So who are all those clients who have registered and the users, right? The house buyers and what are the houses that are uploaded. So this is the admin dashboard. Let us log out of this and log in as a client. Of course, you can always create a new account, fill up this form, first name, last name, email, ID, password, gender, address, etc., etc. And then you can log in as the client. Let me just cross-check the database, the ID password. So we have one simple account start. Login successful. And as you can see from the client perspective, how many houses this particular client has added and other details. So you can add a brand new house through this screen, and you can also look at the existing houses you have entered. So the title, price, category, etc. So you also have the CRUD operations. You can edit and delete these. Finally, we have the buyer, the customer or the buyer. Once again, I'll directly log in as the customer or the user. Again. So here you go. You can see the list of all the houses that are there in the website. And now you can search for the house. You can give the city name and you should get the list of all those. And then you can add them to cart, like them, and then go for detailed display of that particular uh, house seller, the client. Okay, so we will get to know them, contact number and all, and then we can connect to those guys, okay, either through the email or phone. So that is the overall set of operations at a glance. You can trial and register all these three types of users, admin, client, and the customer, and then log in as each type of the user, and then do the relevant operations. Okay.